Hey guys, this is the FOF with FOF Guide. Basically, I'm just going to make a how-to on how to organize your folders for school. So basically what I'd like to do is I like to put all my folders that have stuff such as schoolwork and very important stuff under one partition or one hard drive. That way I can take it out for some reason if something happens to the computer and stuff like that. So basically what you want to do is you want to put everything under one folder. I'm not saying just throw everything just randomly in one folder, but make it nice and organized. So let's just call this folder everything. So basically, you got a pictures folder where you put your pictures and stuff, all your friends on and stuff, and it's schoolwork. Notice how I start with 2015 09 English 1100. Notice how I put English 1100 last, because what you want to do is you want to put everything in order from the earliest and down to 2017, which is the latest. So this is like September 2015. This is 2017 in January. And then always put the name last. The name is last because you want everything to be in numerical order in respect to when the course is taken. So put the name of the course after all the numbers and stuff like that, so they're in order. Okay, and basically that's a good idea. And let's say you have you may make yourself a new folder, such as maybe or ships. So all the ships, and then put all your applications in there and stuff. And I'll show you English 1100. Now look at what I got in English 1100. I got exam study guides, notes, recordings, such as recordings from your class, some of the courses like at SFU. They record it on a special site or something like that or whatnot, and you can listen to them all you want. And then we got essays here, and here's where you put your journal articles. That just when you save a journal, you put journal 001, and the next one's journal 002, the next one's journal 003, and then you put the name of the journal there. That's to keep everything nice and organized. That way you can go, okay. I'll show. Actually, you know what? I'll show you later how exactly how to do that. But that's just a generally good idea. And then you put essay 001, World of Medicine, and then essay 001, Medicine 001, and the next one you put 002, 003, 004 at the very end of the thing there. That way you can keep track of which one's the latest one. Obviously, the one at the bottom is always the latest one. That's my rule. I make a rule where the very last essay file or is the most current thing. So, like I said before, it's the same deal with all your classes. The last one is the most current one you took. That way you know exactly what's going on. And besides, if you put 2015 and you want the newest one to be up top, that won't happen because you'd have to make a number higher and then go to lower. So that wouldn't be a good idea. So that's why I do it like that way. So that's a good idea. And then there's, of course, when you got work, let's see, work at, I don't know, Sears or something. I know there's one with Sears around there, and you put folders in there and all that stuff. And when you save your stuff, on a hard drive, you go copy, and then paste into a zip drive. So here, I'll put this in my zip drive right here. 1 second, let me take not zip drive, Kingston disk. So I go paste, and it saves it all there, and then that's all did. It's all saved, right? And there's also has to be something to be said about saving work and stuff like that. Now, when you do an essay or something like that, I recommend every day you do your essay. Let's say you work on it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On Monday, you save the original file, which is like this one right here. And then after you've done that file, the next day you save it as 001, and then 002, 003, 004, and 005. Every day you do a different one. And also what I recommend you do is when you save an essay or something like that, most important thing to do is to email it to yourself at the end of the night. just in case something goes wrong with your computer, it doesn't work, you get a virus or something like that. Then you got an email to yourself. That way everything's safe. And I also recommend putting in a jump drive too, maybe 2 jump drives. I mean, this is what is known as protecting the principal. Okay, the principal is that file, that essay you're doing. If you lose that essay, you're in trouble. And if you're gonna write say you write a paragraph and you think it's pretty good, save your file. Just go save. You don't have to do save as until the next day. Then you go save as. I recommend that because you don't want to make a mistake of accidentally deleting something, or your sister goes in your computer and deletes something because she wants to clean house or something like that. So I don't have a laptop, so I have other people who might use my computer. I doubt it, but there might be somebody. So, but I recommend that. And that's one thing I gotta learn about is laptops. I never really had one before. But anyways, here's scholarships, and you'd obviously go new folder. You'd do all that kind of stuff, and then you might have another one called jobs, or job searches, and maybe you might put your resume here. And you might put under here, might have references. I know to spell, apparently. References, and you put all your references there and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you keep your everything organized. Like I said, always put everything under one jumbo big folder with everything inside of it. That way when you save everything, it'd be all good, right? I also recommend to eat, like I said before, I said this already, but what I recommend you guys do is that you back up everything every once in a while. Get a big 4 terabyte portable hard drive. So you just every once in a while you just save it all under that way. And what I recommend you do is don't delete your old after the course is done or a couple semesters out. Don't delete it. It's not a good idea to delete it because you want to learn from yourself and how well you've improved. Like, I mean, I make way better essays than I used to when I was younger, and unfortunately I deleted some of them, but they're just under weird folders and stuff like that. But I recommend just keeping everything and looking at it and going, man, that was horrible right then, and I thought it was the best, you do slowly get better, and with some courses, some courses are a little bit more challenging, and you tend to get better with those ones, But yeah, I recommend just saving everything and just keeping everything where it is. You know what I mean? Just so you can, actually just look at what you've done and how you improved and stuff like that. Maybe there's something that was good about your essay that you liked. You might want to apply to one of your essays, just a certain structure or something like that. So that's what I recommend. Anyways, guys, toodaloos for now. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and if you want to, you can subscribe, or you can check out my Facebook page or my Facebook profile, or on my website, www.thefof.com or thefof.ca, whatever it may be, and I got the FOF YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys, for listening. Bye.